Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Exhcnage. Today we'll take another look into the charts, and we had a very good day. Boomer markets completely bounced, especially gold big up. Nasdaq had a good bounce over here, making higher highs compared to this one over here. I mean, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq look very different. The Nasdaq made a double bottom over here, and the S&P 500 just made higher highs and broke this trend line over here. We can see it with our bare eyes. Dixie, nice and weak, just how we like it. This support will break sooner or later. Tap over here, and horizontally, you know, quite some stuff going on. Look at that back below this one. That is exactly what we want. We want new lows for Dixie. So that is all going according to plan. ES1, you know, on the daily or the 4 hour. I mean, look at this perfectly. This trend line, you know, we can see a break in there. So that's perfect. That is perfect. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin lower high, but I mean we're in the ES. We're in the futures. Let's go over here. This is what we're looking at for Bitcoin. Fundings came up a little bit again. Had a little bit of shakeout earlier today, but it's looking good. It is looking. This is the 4 hour. Let's go to the 15. I mean, we all can see it, right? We all can see it. Very big level over here for the VPVR. Getting above it will send us higher. Let's go to the 15 minute. And right now I'm expecting a break of this trend line. Something like that. Expecting this low to hold. This one. And if it doesn't, you know, it will probably do something like this. And that is about it. I'm expecting Bitcoin to visit this line over here. Just because liquidity wise, you know, liquidity is still to the upside. Yeah, and that is what I'm expecting. Ethereum, you know, Ethereum being a complete chat. This is what I'm looking at. It's looking amazing, you know. Boom, top over here. We had this top over here. Boom, top over here. Another tap, and then we broke it. You know, triple tops do not exist, and this was kind of a triple top. And right now, you know, Ethereum is a complete chat and will probably go higher. Targets, I don't know. Let's look at something different for Ethereum. Let's go to the daily. And then, I mean, this line is what we're gonna look at. You will be surprised. And I think, you know, I really think we broke this one. And this, you know, who would have thought that if we break this one? I mean, this is something, you know. We will look at that. Just look at it, you know, like it's just straight up tap, 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 taps. If we break it, you know, we will be sending it to heaven. Simple as that. We will be sending it to heaven. That's all I can say. This stuff is wild. Yeah, that's really it. That's the message, you know. Daily's looking perfect, you know. Big engulfing over here, and now just sending it higher. So yeah, I am kind of in the clouds. If I can say it like that. Ethereum BTC, you know, lower time frame. We had this perfect shakeout over here, and then bounced, you know, made a nice flag, and now we're shooting it back up to new highs. We already broke some resistances, you know. Let's zoom out again. This is so wonderful. We already broke this one. Next up, this one. And this is where I will take profit a lot. My spot bags, you know, they were 90%. Ethereum right now, I do not know what the percentage of Ethereum is versus the rest, but Ethereum has gained so much value, so I'm just basically all in Ethereum right now. FTT looking good, will shoot up. Yeah, looking perfect, not doing a lot. SRM looking very, very good over here. We'll soon break this trend line. I mean, you do not have to be a rocket scientist to see that this looks well. So this will break up soon as well. All depending on Bitcoin, of course. Doge. It's a long opportunity. Did not expect that. Wait, let me remove everything. I want to use trend lines. Doge is a long opportunity. Very tight wedge in the 5 minute. So yeah, I would long Doge. If it breaks this lows over here, you get out. This is support for Doge. And another one. And another one over there. So if they break those lows, you know, let's say, well, you can draw it yourself. I always have trouble pronouncing numbers. I'm very good with numbers, but pronouncing them is hell for me. But Doge is looking very, very good. Doge. And take a look at ROOK. ROOK, you know, Jimmy's advice. Man, he's the GOAT. Looking very well over here, consolidating a little bit, will break higher. Pretty sure of that. Nice consolidation as well. Let's zoom in a little bit to the 15 minute. And we can see this perfect consolidation for ROOK. And I'm expecting it to break higher. Something like this. Something like this. It's basically free money season, yeah. If this breaks down, you know, just go look at supports. Breaking this support, you know, you get out. It's basically 490, you know. If it breaks that, you get out. Other than that, everything's good. MTA, big wedge, you know, on the 4 hour. Will take some time before it breaks higher, I think. Nothing going on, you know. Looking good, but nothing going on. Consolidation, making higher lows, lower highs. So we'll probably finish this wedge a bit more, unless there's news. XRP, you know, XRP breaking out of this big wedge on the 4 hour. Probably breaking higher soon. Looking very good, you know. This is support right now. You want them to stay above these levels. Let's say 160. Target is 185, let's say. So that is all looking good. BADGER, you know, really should bounce over here. It is underperforming compared to the rest of the market. Simple as that. That's all I can say. Let's go to the 1 hour. And I mean, BADGER, you know, it's really important for them. I don't like this chart. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I'm not liking it. This is support for BADGER. And this is resistance. And right now, you know, they need to make a higher low over here and bounce up again. But it looks weak. Fundings all should be good. Let me refresh them. Fundings are a bit high. Predicted on Bybit is coming down, which is good for Bitcoin. And USDT is very high again. Interesting. So that is about it for today, guys. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. If you want to use Bybit, there's the sign up link in the video description. Yeah, I'm selling a PDF, you know, a trading course. If you're interested, you can always send me an email, you know, here's my email. And yeah, what else? Let me know in the comments how your day was. See you guys again tomorrow.